Okay, most of the people say this writing simple prompt is called an prompt engineering, but not like that. Okay, there is a quite difference between the what is the actual prompt designing is, what is the actual prompt engineering. Okay, let's dive into that. So we will see the what is the difference between prompt design and prompt engineering. So the prompt design and prompt engineering might seem similar, but they have some different purposes. Let's see let's see the prompt design. Prompt design, this involves writing basic instructions or questions for a language model. It's about creating a prompt that gets the AI to respond but does not necessary for specific applications. Yeah, that's simple. So you can see here, prompt design simple. It is a simple question that we will ask to AI. Like you can see the example here, write a poem about nature. This is a simple question. There is no reasoning in that, there is no detailed instructions, and there is no other goal that we want from AI. It is a simple question, that is write a poem about nature. There is no indirect words, there is no indirect sentences, indirect, like simple, it is a straightforward question. This is called a simple prompt design. Okay, when come to the prompt engineering, this is a more advanced approach. Okay, prompt engineering means it is a more advanced approach where the prompt is optimized for a specific application or outcome. Okay, it involves crafting detailed instructions and that align with the unique capabilities or limitations of the AI, and it is optimized for specific application. So you can see the example here. Okay, you can see the compose a rhyming poem about nature in the style of William Wordsworth. So this is a direct question, and this is have some reasoning that challenge the model. Like compose a rhyming poem about nature in the style of William Wordsworth. Okay, we are looking that we not only want the poem about nature, but I want the poem about nature in the style of William Wordsworth. Okay, you have some, you see the difference between in these two prompts. Like it, prompt design means it's simply writing a direct question, straightforward question, but prompt engineering means it's have some reasoning and some extra detail instructions for a specific application is called an prompt engineering. Okay, there is a, okay, so you can check here, you can see this prompt engineering example prompt have not only gives the AI clear direction but also leverages ability to emulate library styles. Okay, so it can give the some good amount of AI's response when compared to this prompt design. Okay, this is, there is no difference, there is a small difference in between that. So the question which asked will be directly without any involving like a detailed instructions is called an prompt design. But prompt engineering means uh, giving detailed instructions and extra information in prompt itself to for a specific application is called in prompt engineering. So don't be fully confused. So it is uh, easy if you practice well, and it will easy when you see this in upcoming classes. Okay, let's start why is prompt engineering is important. Okay, let's see this. Don't worry if you this all these PPTs and document that I have explained, each and everything will be provided to you after this course. Okay, don't worry. Let's see. Next, our heading is why is prompt engineering important. See, how many A tools you of your seeing that like that, like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini.ai. This LLM means large language models are powerful because they have NLP techniques like natural language processing, uh, and it is trained by large amount of data, right? It can very helpful. Okay, it can very helpful for people or business industries to use in that to make the things easy and workflow, or to make the things very fast. Okay, it helps very much in each and every industry, right? So why is prompt engineering important? Let's see in this session. So when come back to see, prompt engineering important means writing good prompts is important. Okay, simply if you write any prompt, it's not an under the prompt engineering, but writing the good prompts which helps to build a specific application or to get specific data from AI is crucial, right? So let's see what are the see we will see this, what is a good prompts leads to, and what are the bad prompts can leads to the AI response. Okay, let's see that. If your prompt is poorly bad, it can confuse or irrelevant responses. The AI can generate confused or irrelevant responses. Okay, if you don't uh, provide a detail or background information for your specific application, it can generate a irrelevant or confusion data. Okay, if you write a good prompt, the AI provide can AI can generate a best and accurate response and meaningful response for your prompt, because the specific, so prompt engineering is specifically, okay, the prompt engineering means it is a specific applications. We write the prompts for specific application. Okay, I am not talking about the prompt designing, I am talking about the prompt engineering, which is only for specific application. Okay, that's why, see, the what is the for prompt engineering for specific application means, what is the good prompts means. Okay, what is a good prompts? Good prompts means if you provide a, okay, if you are building so and so, if you are, okay, if you take an example of content creation for health content creation, that is fitness and workout. Okay, fit, let's say in fitness and health. So if you want the content that is more accurately for your fitness and health content, so this is a specific, right? So what you will do, you will provide some detail. Okay, the instruction that you want. Okay, that you want for specifically. So in that, if your prompt doesn't have uh, background information that what you want for a specific, so it can be lead irrelevant response, or it can be generate inaccuracies. Okay, with this prompt engineering, if you write a good prompts means what, you have to include a detailed instructions, and you have to include any background information that AI cannot know. Okay, if you have to some give the idea what you are looking for and how the output you want, so all those things come into the prompt writing skill in prompt engineering. Okay, the good prompts can lead to a relevant and accurate AI responses, and the prompt engineering is mainly used for complex tasks. Okay, this is all about good prompts, but there is something question in your mind, right? So why is prompt engineering is important? So many have the companies are already started using LLMs in their workflows. Okay, some companies are training own with training AI models with their own data. Okay, to automate something in their companies or to help employers for better productivity, to make the things easy. Okay, this is now the AI is now is taking most of the world. Okay, I'm not talking about the jobs, this taking the, but it can generate more jobs also. That is in the prompt engineering also good career opportunity for us. So let's start. So why is prompt engineering important means, everywhere in each and every industry will use LLMs as it goes, it goes very trained. Okay, in upcoming futures years, so all across any industry they will use LLMs. Okay, like ChatGPT, all those things. For that, for every industry use will, right? So at where LLMs are used, there prompt engineer plays a major role to control AI or to generate something from the LLMs. Okay, to control AI, to use AI effective manner, prompt engineer come in the important role are there. But for them you need, okay, the if you have prompt engineering skill but you don't have a specific skill set that you are looking to do job in specific company, so what is the prompt engineering skill that you have? Prompt engineering skill is beneficial for you when you have a specific already skill. Okay, if you know coding, for example, if you taken, okay, if you know coding, how to code Python, okay, if you can use a prompt engineering for writing the basic code and all those things stuffs to make the things easy, fast and reliable. If you don't know how to Python code, but if it go and just like ask ChatGPT to write a code, it can generate a code, but you don't know where it is code is wrong, where the which Python code is uh, an inaccurate that ChatGPT has generated. So you should have some specific knowledge about that skill, then only the prompt engineering skill can beneficial for you. Otherwise it can lead to some inaccuracies and all those stuff. Okay, so this is why the learning the prompt engineering is very important for upcoming futures. And now, because we are already in the AI era, so if you know how to use the AI, you can do the all those things. Okay, let's see the our, okay, in this lesson we have learned what is about prompt engineering is and what is the difference between prompt design and prompt engineering, and we have learned about why is prompt engineering is important. So this is a lesson we have learned it. So for upcoming lesson, that is 1.2 models, second lesson, we will learn what is the some basics of large language models like LLM, like ChatGPT and all other things, and how the LLM process prompts